Try our tips to help you get back into school mode and start the year off right. This is a great way to keep the kids entertained at lunch, and it'll even make it much easier to encourage the little ones to try new or healthier foods. How cute are these sandwiches, and you can apply it to all kinds of food. It's also a fun challenge for you. How many different lunchbox ideas can you come up with? Another great idea is to create a homework station, somewhere they can just focus and get it all done. Organise pens and notepads together and remove all distractions. Remove the sleeve from a DVD cover to create your very own mini whiteboard. You could even extend your homework station to fit the full family. That way everyone can work on their own projects at the same time. So it'll provide a little bit extra motivation, and you'll also prove to be a good role model to your little ones. And finally, remember to stay engaged. And a good way of doing so is to ask them what they got up to at school that day. This can be quite tricky to answer, so it can really encourage them to have a good think about it. And it also shows them that you're really invested in learning about their work. I hope these tips will help you start the school year with a spring in your step. Good luck!